front part. So this one, which would also be this one, which I said. So it's that. It's front up, front up. So left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then, okay, if we were going to do the split version of it, where one's going up and one's going down, we hold one here in the front. Actually, I'll hold my right one so it's easier to see with the left. And then I'll move the left one up first, and then when it gets to the top, both of them move. So when it gets up here, the other one moves and they switch. So in theory, it's never actually going below the horizontal plane. And you should be getting it up into like a stall top, rather than like a swing, or more like this, a swing.